In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find post drafts on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and now let's make a post. To do that, we need to tap where it says what's on your mind, and then we can enter some text. We can attach a photo, and also we can configure all these settings, or we can tag someone, we can add a location, and let's say we do not want to share this post right now, we can just save it as a draft. To do that, tap at that icon and then select Save Draft. The post has just been saved as a draft. And now let me show you how we can easily find that draft. That is really simple and easy. All you have to do is just tap where it says what's on your mind, and it will open up your draft. You can save just one draft at the same time, and you can easily find that draft just by tapping at what's on your mind. If you are ready to share this post, just tap at post. That's how you can easily find drafts on Facebook.